Hi, welcome to my channel. I am Teacher Helen and this is video number 6. We are looking into some preschool reading books and their presentation of the sounds of the letters of the English alphabet. Today we look into the sounds of letter U. The first book here presents letter U, which can have a short sound as in umbrella, umpire, and a long sound as in uniform, unicorn, unicycle. The second book presents the same, but this time meron na po siyang mark for the short sound. Ganon din po ang mga examples niya. Yan, makikita nyo na mga initial sounds to. At ang kanyang long sound ay ito po ang mark for the long sound. As in ukulele, unicorn. Okay, katulad din po nung isa kanina, and they are all in the initial position. Dito po sa next 3 books ay ganun din po, pero iba namang symbol ang kanyang ginamit. Ito po yung symbol niya sa short U. Pareho din po ang examples. Okay. Ayan din po. At saka ayan din po. Okay. Pero wala po dito sa tatlong aklat na ito ng long U sound. Dito po sa pang-apat na book of the same author ay ganun din po naman ang kanyang ginamit. Okay, at the same examples din po. Meron na siyang medial sound dito. So, the sound of U as in duck, hug, sun, bun, bug, bulb. Okay. Gusto ko lang sana po i-emphasize na ang tunog ng short U, katulad ng umbrella, ay not simply umbrella. Pag sinabi pong umbrella, underwear, upside down, ang tunog ay nanggagaling o ginagawa dito sa harapan ng bibig. Pero ang tunay pong sound o ang tamang sound po nito ay doon sa may ngalang-ngalang ginagawa. So it's deeper inside the mouth. So we don't say umbrella, we say umbrella, underwear, upside down, umpire, upstairs. So we say duck. So we don't just say duck. Hindi po duck, hug, sun, bun. No. It is duck, hug, sun, bun, bug, and so on. Dito po sa aklat na ito ay gumamit na siya ng long U sound. Kaya lang, wala po naman siyang symbol. Okay. So, ano po ang long U sound? Katulad po ng cube, tube. Yung U, huge, duke, and so on. Kaya lang po, meron siyang nasama dito na tatlong words na iba po ang tunog ng U. Mamaya po kukunin natin ito kung paano ituturo ko sa inyo kung ano ang tunog ng U dito sa tatlong words na ito. Kung ang tinuturo po ng mga aklat ay yun lang short U na at saka yung long U na U, paano naman po itong U na dito? Hindi naman po ito rude, hindi naman po ito ruler, hindi naman po ito bulge, hindi naman po ito fuel. Maya kukunin natin ito, pag-aaralan natin. So, what really are the sounds of U? Let me present them all to you. Okay. Ito po ang sounds of U. Ito po ang short, represented by different symbols in different dictionaries. So, makikita nyo ganito, o kaya ganito, o kaya ganito, in different dictionaries. Pare-pareho po ang tunog niyan. And it is the U in up, bus, cup. Ito naman po yung long sound. So, pwede nyong makita ito, o ito. Ito naman, at saka ito. Ito naman po yung tunog ng U, as in cute, tube, utensil. Let me just call your attention. This is hindi po utensil, ito po ay utensil. You can check the dictionary. It is stressed on the second syllable, utensil. At ito naman po ang symbol ng U. Pwede ring ganito para sa rule. So, hindi po yan rule. Okay. So, ito po ang IPA symbol for the short U sound. So, like what I said, sa ibang dictionaries, ito po ang makikita nyo. Marami pong mga letters or letter combinations na ganito ang tunog. So, kahit iba ang letters niya, ang kanyang tunog ay Okay. So, ito po as in not, duck. Okay. Pero meron din pong O. And we say, done, color. Hindi po yung color. It's color. Ito po, OU as in double, trouble. So, hindi po double, trouble, double, trouble. Double, trouble. Let me call your attention also to this. Kasi sinasabi po natin ay south, south. Pero, pagdating po dito, nagiging southern. Ayan po. Southern. Southern. South, pero southern. Southern. Okay. Ito naman po ay O as in blood, flood. Blood, flood. Ito po ang UR. Ito po ang symbol nila. Pwedeng ganyan, pwedeng ganyan. And we say nurse, turn, purse. Again, your attention please. This is purchase. Kahit verb po ito, ay purchase pa rin. Hindi po purchase. Purchase. At pag unstressed naman po, ito naman po, unstressed na UR, ito naman po ang symbol. That little thing there is for the R. So, pwedeng schwa sound at saka yung R. Ito naman ay magkarugtong na. So, we don't say nature or future. We say nature, future. Okay? Ito naman po yung isang tunog at saka ito naman po yung symbols na ginagamit. Ito po yung kaninang pinakita ko na hindi U, kung hindi U. Katulad ng flute, lunar, pussy. OE as in shoe, OO as in fool, food, O as in tomb, who, to, EW as in crew, flew, UI as in juice, fruit, OU as in group, soup, UE as in blue, true, EU as in eulogy. Okay. At ito po ang sound na hindi nababanggit sa alinman sa mga aklat na ating tiningnan at sa mga ibang aklat ko pang nakita. Ito po ang tunog ng U as in bull, full, bush. So, hindi po yan bull kung hindi at hindi rin bull. Ito po ay bull, full, bush. Okay. OO as in wool, foot, cook. So, hindi po cook, cooking, cooking. He is a cook. Okay. OU as in could. I could have danced all night. Could. Should. Would. O as in wolf. Wolf. Woman. Pag singular po, woman. Pag plural, women. Short I, women. Ito po, singular. Woman. Woman. At ito naman po yung tatlo kaninang pinakita ko. You are, pero ang tunog po niya ay pure, cure, sure. Tingnan niyo po yung symbol. Ayan po ang symbol, ganito po. Hindi po katulad ng mga nauna. So we say pure, cure, sure. Okay. Before we end, let me give you some more words which are very common and which are not said correctly or properly. So, practice po tayo dito. This is up, up, us, under, uncle, otter, oven, other, one, come, love, does, touch, young, flood, brother, cousin, mother, trouble, govern. Ito po ay hindi govern, ha? Govern, wonder, enough. Okay, ulitin po natin. Up, us, under, uncle, otter, oven, other, one, come, love, does, touch, young, flood, brother, cousin, mother, trouble, govern, wonder, enough. Ito po, more words for oo. Ooze, oodles, pool, truth, cruise, tomb, rumor, poodle, crew, blue, chew, shoe, who, through. Ulitin po natin. Ooze, oodles, pool, truth, cruise, tomb, rumor, poodle, crew, blue, chew, shoe, who, through. Okay. Sa IPA po, yung mga U, katulad nito, ay may makikita kayong Y, ay parang J dito, pero ang tunog po niya yan ay IY sa IPA. Katulad po ng U, Yule, youth, usury, eulogy, utilize, few, feud, huge, accuse, humor, pew. Ulitin po natin. Ito po yung U, katulad ng tube, cute. Okay. Merong tunog ng Y. U, Yule, youth, usury, eulogy, utilize, few, feud, huge, accuse, humor, pew. Ito naman po, more words for this symbol. As in, pull, wood, soot, bullet, bulldog, bullion, could, push, pudding, bourgeois, understood, neighborhood. One more time. Pull, wood, soot, bullet. So, hindi po yung bullet. Bullet, bulldog, bullion, could, push, Alam niyo po yung kinakanta nila sa preschool, wine, wine, sugar baby. Wine, wine, sugar baby. Push, pull. Push, pull. So, hindi po push, pull. Push, pull. Yan po yan. Push, pudding. Bourgeois. Understood. Neighborhood. So, how many sounds of you did you learn today? 4. So, dear teachers and parents, get familiar with them and try to say them correctly and be a model to the children you teach. They will learn from what you say and how you say them. Kung nakakatulong po ako ang aking mga videos, please like and share and subscribe. Next video po, I will teach you how to improve your spoken English through the schwa sound before we go to the consonant sounds. Okay. Then we will take, after I teach you the schwa sound for your spoken English improvement, we will take the different consonant sounds. Thank you for now. Until the next video, God bless.